Do you wanna make friends with Nana? The sky, clouds, the grass, and the berries. We can hang out in the moonlit forest. Nana has learned to control her power.